One day will be I'm your type, I'm the vibe. Fantasize, stay the night, every night. I can keep all your secrets in my pocket, lock it, and then I keep it held down when I lock and drop it. Yeah, you'll be sly, that's alright. I don't mind, you'll be cool, I'll survive. Playing that hard to get love, showing no affection. I know it's hard to keep up with my good intentions. You must think I'm mad to need you. They must think I'll never leave you. I don't say my love is weakness. I know in the end you'll be the one.
Wishing you an 8th year that's as bright as your smile and the limitless of your potential. Stay pretty and always lovable.
Sobrang love ka namin kasi ikaw yung una namin pamangkin and masaya ako na masaya ka.
Wala, sobrang bilis ng panahon. Sabi ko din kay Leia, ang bilis ng panahon. Dati, 11 lang tayo, tapos kala lang tayo ng 18 ka na bakla.
Independent ka na sa mga decisions mo, sa mga ginagawa mo. Alam ko rin na hindi ka pa rin nagkukulang para i-inform kami kung ano yung mga decision mo, ano yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay or yung mga ginagawa mo. Basta whatever yung maging decision mo, lagi lang kita susuportahan.
Right now I bet you think you got me in the palm of your hands. Give me no love, you get that good love. Hope that you don't regret taking so long to see that I'm the best thing you'll ever have. Come get that love or get that good love, baby, while you still can. I'm the shit, I'm a trip. Take a sip, watch it drip from your lips. Know that I can keep it all down with my little finger, and I would do it all day just to let you linger. You know that I would take the time to let you ride, let you try to do me right. Hoping that you're learning real quick, asking all the questions. Cause if you push me too far, you gon' learn your lesson.
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is huwag ka na magsungit sa room kasi nagmumukha kang dinosaur. Tapos ang gift ko na to sinabi kasi ni Maureen sa akin yung favorite color mo, tapos tsaka favorite mo daw may ribbon kaya happy birthday.
Happy birthday po. Maging mabuting tao ka. Kailangan mo yung yan kasi lagi kang late, di mo ata nakikita yung oras. Gusto ko lang mabuting tao ka.
1 year in the making etong activity natin na to, birthday mo na, at last tumating na din. And alam ko, 1 month before may struggle tayo bago tong araw na to, but we survive ngayong araw na to. Mag-enjoy na lang tayo ngayong araw na to, and i-set aside muna natin whatever yung negative vibes natin. Let's just enjoy for this day, okay? I love you. Happy birthday.
Right now I bet you think you got me in